Kevin again with Sino Mold. This is our latest edition, Japanese MVD 5000, and it's accurate up to .0001. Okay, this is our mold shop section. These are our electrodes here, copper. All right, where we work on the molds, we take them apart, assemble, test them, tweak them. This is our 260-ton press injection machine. This is our 120 injection machine, and this is our Japanese high-speed 50-ton injection machine. We also have bigger machines on another campus. Here's our grinding room. So we can take care of all your grinding needs. We got big fans pulling everything out. Here's our dual CNC EDM machine, which really gives us great capacity when we're doing our EDM work. This is a Ford part we just finished up and we're getting ready to ship out to our customer. It goes in the rear, structural support, safety. As you can see, we got a lot of stuff we got to ship out of here.